Hi guys, it's Kitty. I didn't upload yesterday because, well, long story. Penny is okay, she's getting better, but we had to take her to the vet at 9:30 in the morning. I've been up each day from 4, which I normally do anyway, I know. But every half an hour we have to put drops in her eye to make sure that she keeps her eye. And good news, there isn't any bacteria in her eye. So it is just a really, really bad ulcer. I think this is going to cost about 800 quid. But thankfully she's insured, so I can claim that back. So I actually didn't even open my advent calendar yesterday. I opened theirs because they needed a tea. I can't say treat, well, I just said it. Hello, Bean. This is Elsa Bean. And Penny's snoozing again. But yeah, she's doing better. They took photos of the ulcer yesterday and the day before and showed me the difference, and it's gone from like that to that. Well, you know, that's about the size of her eye, but it has shrunk, which is fantastic. And we're taking her back today. I'm taking her back today at 11:30 after I finish work. I start at 7. So let's open 2 days worth of advent calendars. I can't believe I've actually got 2 days to open. I don't think I've ever done that before. Oh, and for once I opened it the right way round. So join me. Here's my chin. Oh, also I think I'm putting on weight. So here we go. So I don't even know what days we're on. I'm trying to look at my watch. Hold on, guys. Right, so it's the 19th today, so we've got to open 18 and 19 today. So 18th. Oh, okay. So I don't really use these. Oh my god, they're wedged in there. But these are really good quality. Oh my god. So we got some eyelash curlers. I have glasses. Like, I don't use these very often. That's how you test they work. Do you guys do that with prongs? You just like click, click. So that's awesome. And then we'll have a look at 19, which is another really big one. Oh my god. Okay, and in here we have a revitalizing peel off mask. Oh my god, are they just gluing? Yeah, they are. They're literally gluing these in. So here we have the instant results peel to reveal radiant, smooth and healthy looking skin. I need that. Boris is still here. I might actually call him Dominic Cummings because he just keeps coming back. But yeah, that's not a bad little haul for 2 days. I'm kind of happy about that. I say these have got a little number 7 written on them as well, which is really cute. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm now working because I had yesterday morning off. I actually ended up working from about 11 until 3 rather, because I wanted to make sure I did a half day. Obviously can't claim any overtime on that because it was a half day and that would be cheeky. So I'm working a half day on Christmas Eve just to make up the time because I didn't have any days left because I've got the Christmas holiday to take. But I'm from Christmas Day until the 4th of January, I'm actually going to be off work, so which is good because I need a break. Yeah, I can't believe we're actually already at the 19th. Like, there's 6 days until Christmas, which is just crazy. I'm looking at my advent calendar like, I remember we're opening day 2, which is good because that wasn't that long ago. But I'll keep you guys updated on the little patient, and I will let you guys know if anybody is interested. If you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Comment down below what you got in your advent calendar today and yesterday. And I hope everybody's having a better Yuletide than I am right now. I'm so stressed out, it's ridiculous. I've been playing a lot of Yakuza Like a Dragon, which is fantastic. If anybody's got that game or thinking about getting that game, please do get it. I started playing Watch Dogs Legion. I enjoy the game, but it's not as engrossing as I found Valhalla. I finished Valhalla as well, which was, it kind of just stopped. Like, it was like, oh, okay, now you're done. Oh, all right then, thanks. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I promise I will upload tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday and I'm working again. So I'll see you guys then. But if you're not already and you would like to be, please do hit that button down below. Hit subscribe, become one of my kittens. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.